If you're experiencing connection errors in Valorant, particularly error 2025, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you get back into the game quickly. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Valorant server status page to see if there are any ongoing server issues. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart your game. Host Valorant completely and restart it. This can often resolve temporary connection issues and refresh your connection to the game servers. Step 3. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. You can do this by running a speed test or trying to access other online services. If your connection is unstable, consider resetting your router. Step 4. Disable VPN or proxying. If you are using a VPN or proxy service, disable it. These services can interfere with your connection to Valorant servers and may cause error 2025. Step 5. Reinstall Valorant. If the issue persists, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Valorant. This can fix any corrupted files that may be causing the connection error. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the connection error and enjoy playing Valorant again. If problems continue, consider reaching out to Riot Games support for further assistance.